Hey guys, welcome back. Today is kind of like a different video, mainly because I want to talk about specifically ebook readers. And I have been a Kindle user for the longest time, and I started out with the Kindle keyboard. Yeah, I think that was my very first one. And the reason why I got the basic 4 years ago was because this had like backlight, and I got tired of reading with a lamp, and I just wanted to like stay in bed and read like most of us do. I'm not the most techy or complicated reading, sophisticated reading person there is. So anything that I share here is really more on what is comfortable for me, and I really don't expect like people to, well, everyone to agree, because I don't know. I realized that when I was looking, anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. So, okay, let's start. I have the Kindle Oasis. I never really intended on getting two Kindles because I was fine with my basic. But this, I got this as a gift. This came in the champagne gold. Yeah, this was the champagne gold, and this is 32 gig. I just bought the, I can't say it. I just bought the white skin on this because this never came in white. So there. This is what I've been using, and I just made this sticker. So this is what I have. This is the Kindle Oasis. This is the third gen, and this is what I originally used. This is the Kindle Basic, and to be completely honest, I'm fine with this, really. I mean, yeah, it's white, but I'm fine with this too. But the thing is, it doesn't automatically fit into my bags. Like sometimes I just want to carry something small, and which is why I ended up looking at the books Palma. But the thing is, with the price point, there's just so much things that it had to offer that I couldn't use. Like, I love the size. Honestly, I love the size. I love that it's as big as a phone, and I think that was the selling point. But like, I didn't need the camera. I there's so many things I didn't need because I just want a small ebook reader, and that's it. Which I ended up looking online, and I saw this. This is actually a digital player, media player. It's, you kind of have to look at it like the iPod Touch. I'm not sure if everyone still knows what the iPod Touch is, but this is going to be really embarrassing if like a certain percentage of people watching this do not know what an iPod Touch is, because damn, I am old. But yeah. So I wanted to talk about this and why I ended up getting it and why I don't regret getting it. First, alright, let's get this out first. It's in pink. Okay, guys, it's pink, and I don't normally, or I don't have anything in pink, so I just made this. Yeah, so I just made this as a cover. But if you're, when you buy this, it already comes with the clear case as a protector thing. Hang on. So it comes in pink, and I don't like pink. So this is the Oilsky MP3 player. It's Android based. It is a USB-C charger. It comes with, actually, when you open the box, it already comes with its own earphones. I mean, it could be better, but come on, for the price point that I paid for this, it was fine. And it comes with a memory card slot. This came with a 64 gig memory card. And then you have your, sorry, this is the USB-C, this is the memory card, and this is the speaker. It's fine. Guys, for the price, you really have to manage expectations. And for what reason I bought this for specifically, this is small and I love it. As you can see, it's small and it just fits like that. So my intention in getting this was that it was just gonna be an ebook reader that's gonna fit in my wallet even, or anything that's small enough that I don't have to, it's not here to replace either of my Kindles. That's for sure. So really, personally for me, the reason I got this is that I want this to fit my bag. So I think that's the first thing that we're gonna talk about. This is the Louis Vuitton mini pochette, and this is what I've been using as my wallet for quite some time. It comes with this chain already, but I also have like a longer chain strap that effectively makes it into a little crossbody pouch. And I like that it keeps me hands free and everything I need is in here. This is like gonna be a what fits or what's in my wallet now, but this is the main reason why I really enjoyed. Well, I'm not regretting that I tried to get this small media player. So this is my card holder. It has money, it has cash inside, it has my ID, my license, my credit cards, my ATM, and this. I have meds. I have a menthol thing because, my migraines. But I'm gonna put this in later. I also have a little card flat tripod, so I can just put it here. And I put my I have a little card tripod thing, so I put my phone here just in case I need like to take pictures with friends and stuff. So that's here. And most importantly, the little reader, and it fits. And I need my meds here, and it closes, and that's it. I'm good. And that for me is the main reason why I got this, not for anything else, but yeah, it fits. It's easy to bring, and it's something. I mean, okay, people are gonna say, but you can read on your phone, you can listen to audiobooks on your phone. Yeah, but you're gonna make me have to share battery, and that's something I don't want to do because I already take so much of my phone's battery by taking photos and stuff. So it helps that if I'm just waiting for something or for someone, or any lull moment, I can read because I really want to get back into reading. And obviously neither of these Kindles are gonna fit this. I just want to say again that it's not meant to replace any of my Kindles because I'm still not going to be reading on this the entire day. So this is the back of this little MP3 player. I have green stuff. I also wrote down one of Ana Huang's lines from the book Twisted Love, which is one of my favorites really. And yeah, so it just kind of gives it a little more me. We used to be fine with something that was portable and just played music, and MP3 players were like it. It was never really sold as an ebook reader, but more of a digital player. So you can customize your wallpaper obviously, and I just wanted something really cute. What I did was I deleted all the bloatware in it because there are things that I really don't need anyway. So I have here the Kindle app, I have Audible, and maybe Spotify, but I'm not even really sure if I'm gonna be end up, if I'll end up using that because I just want this running purely as an ebook reader. I don't want it sharing its memory with like other apps that I don't really need. So Kindle. It is a very small media player. I think that's a better term than just calling it like a mini Kindle because it's not really a Kindle. It's just a tablet that can, I don't know, use the Kindle app. Anyway, so these are the books. So obviously they're gonna be colored too, but oops. There you go. Anyway, so yeah, it's gonna be colored, but again, I never really found the appeal of something colored because it's a textbook. It's not gonna be like, anyway, so just an example. So there, like any Kindle app. Sorry, I'm still not used to the controls and how. So just like the Kindle app, you can adjust the font size. So obviously, you can adjust the brightness, you can adjust the font size, you can go as big as that. Again, it's really the Kindle app that makes it work and nothing else. So this is how I usually read, not that there. This is how I usually read anyway. And so there's really no lagging or anything because it's just mainly a book, and that's how easy and fast it changes pages. It's not bad. I mean, for what I needed to do, it's really just an ebook reader for me. And if you want something colored, hang on. If you want something colored, this is how it's gonna look like. See, I think you can. Oh, you can't. But yeah, that's how it's gonna look like if you do end up with a colored book. In terms of battery life, I haven't really used this an entire day, but I don't need this to be online the entire day either. So I know it's going to take more. It's gonna like live longer even with a single charge because I just want to read, honestly. And if you're gonna say that I can read on my iPad or other gadgets, yes, I can, but it's not gonna fit that little pouch, that little wallet that I have, which was the main reason why I wanted something small like the Books Palma, really. And it's just that honestly, the price point wasn't just good enough for me. And I think it's like it has a camera. I mean, I don't need a black and white camera, to be honest. I mean, I love the size. I love everything that it had to offer, but for the price, especially here in Manila, it's going around 17,000. And yeah, and that's not something I'm gonna spend on. Especially if you knew how much this was. This is less than $50 on Amazon, and I was able to get this for like, I don't know, 2,400 bucks here in Manila. So I have this and this and this. So really, I don't know, it just works the way I need it to work because it's small, and that's what I need. So I'm not trying to sell you to get it. If you're like me, you like reading, and to be honest, I really want to get back into reading, then I don't see any problem getting this, really. I hope you enjoyed this quick little short review of what I have gotten over the week, because I I think I'm supposed to be uploading like a week in my chaos, and when I was unboxing this, it was there. And I don't know, I guess I wanted to make like this small review for anyone who is interested, because when I was stuck in traffic, I was really fine because I had a smaller bag and I had this, which was not even a problem because I was just reading and I was fine. Even if I didn't have like internet connection, it was good because really I just wanted to read. And you can see here that it doesn't lag or anything, because I'm not sure, because I don't have much in it, but I have a lot of books already in this, so I'm never gonna be bored, and I can spend like waiting time nicely or productively, relaxing. So let me know what you guys think. And really, it's not marketed for everybody, but I don't know, maybe if you don't like it, it's not for you, but I like it and it works with what I need it to do. And I think that's all that matters when I buy something. That's all I needed to do anyway. And I'm rambling. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think. Wouldn't it be amazing if Kindle just came like updated with a smaller unit, I wouldn't have to be looking for something like this anymore. But yeah, anyway, so thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.